Hey, welcome to UK Wildcraft. Behind me here is a rowan tree or mountain ash, Latin name Sorbus ocuparia. It's a fairly common tree found around woodland edges, and it quite likes rocky ground as well, and you'll often find it growing up on quite high up on hills. What we're after are the berries, which grow from August through to November, October being the best time to get them before they start turning. These ones have started to turn a little bit, but there's still plenty on these trees around here that I can gather. They're good for making a jelly. Apple and rowan jelly is the main use for these berries. They're mildly toxic raw, so don't eat them straight off the tree. Once they're cooked though, they are fine to eat. A little bit sour, but they do make a good jelly. Now there are several berries that grow this time of year that aren't edible. They grow often on smaller shrubs. The best way to ID this tree though is by the leaves. So if you'll see, these leaves are compound leaves, which means they're made up of lots of smaller leaflets. And there's usually about 5 to 6 pairs of opposing leaves, like those, and then one terminal leaf on the end, and the leaves are serrated as well. So you'll see this time of year you get huge clusters of these berries growing on the rowan tree. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to collect up a load of them, just take the whole cluster off the tree and then sort them out at home. So these ones are very orange, but you also get bright red rowan berries as well. They're all good. They're often better after a frost, but I don't like to wait that long because they'll end up going mushy on the tree. But what you can do is take them home and put them in the freezer for a day, and they'll crack open and they'll get the same effect as if they were being frozen on the tree. So yeah, I'll take these home and I'll show you how to make a really good apple and rowan jelly, which goes good with like cold meats, cold cuts of meat, and also cheeses. So here we have the rowan berries. So I'm just going to have to pick through them and take the stalks off and any berries that don't look quite so good. Give them a rinse. And then I'll start making an apple and rowan jelly, and I'll show you how to make those in my next video. I'll leave a link at the end of this one.